IB maths is easy.
A. Given that the errors of two shaded regions are equal, so let's call this error A and this error will be B. So A will equal with the error of this triangle. So it will be 1/2 of BO multiplied with RO multiplied with sine of POR. So it will be 1/2 of R squared multiplied with sine of pi minus theta, because this is pi. So we know that sine of pi minus theta will also equal with sine of theta. So it will be 1/2 of R squared multiplied with sine of theta. Okay, B. B will be the difference between the area of sector and the area of this triangle. So the area of sector will be theta divided by 2 pi multiplied with pi R squared minus the area of this triangle. So 1/2 R squared multiplied with sine theta. Given that 2 A and B are equal, so we have 1/2 of R squared sin theta equal with theta over 2 pi multiplied with pi R squared minus 1/2 R squared sine of theta. We can simplify these two, pi with pi, this R squared. So what left? We have sin theta equal with theta minus sin theta. So theta will equal with 2 sine of theta. B. Determine the value of theta. So I put this one into GDC. I move this to the right side, so this will be 0, and I find the x-intercept of this function. So we have theta nearly 1.90 radian. Question 6. A. Find the first term. So we know that the S1 will equal with U1, will equal with 2/3 multiplied with 7/8, which is 7/12. B. The common ratio is 7/8, and they ask to find the sum to infinite. So sum to infinite will equal to first term divided by 1 minus the ratio. So 7/12 divided by 1 minus 7/8. So we will have, it will be 14/3. C. Find the least value of n such that the sum to infinite minus the sum to n is smaller than 0.001. So 14/3 minus the formula of Sn, which is 7/12 multiplied with 1 minus 7/8 power n divided by 1 minus 7/8, and minus 0.001 smaller than 0. I put this one into GDC, so n must bigger than 63.3, so n will equal to 64. Question 7. A1. Find the time travel from A to P by boat and from P to B by bus. So it will be 65 divided by 42 plus 215 divided by 84. We will have nearly 4.11. Now it will travel direct from A to B. So first we must find the distance from A to B. This is a right triangle, so AB will equal to 65 square plus 215 square root. And then we need to find the time by divided by the speed. The speed of the boat is 42, so we have this one divided by 42. So we have it's nearly 5.35. Okay, next one. PD is x, so we have D here. This is x, so this will be 215 minus x. Find an expression in terms of x, the time travel from A to B passing through D. First, we find the distance from A to D. It will be 215 minus x square plus 65 square root. So it will travel to A, from A to D by boat. So the time, this one will divided by 42, and plus the time taken from B to D, from D to B by bus, which is x divided by 84. Next one, find value of x so that t is minimum. So I put this function into GDC and find the location of the minimum. So I have t will nearly 177. Sorry, the x. So x is 177. Write down the minimum of t. So the y coordinate of that will be 3.90, correct to three-significant figure. Okay, see, the cost to rent a boat is 200 and the cost to rent a bus is 150. Add the new x so that the total cost is minimum. First, we need to find the expression to find c. So this is the time traveled by boat and this is the time traveled by bus. So the cost will be 200 multiplied with this expression plus this one multiplied with 150. Okay, so I put this function into GDC to find the minimum, and the minimum will appear at x will nearly 189 kilometers. Write down the minimum. Okay, so the y coordinate of that minimum will nearly $671.